What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be wiring the 12 volt system and we're going to put it in my box. So what I have here is the PowerTech 6-way fuse block, and then this one has a buzz bar as well, which is a negative buzz bar. And then we've also got our electrical tool set. We've got a crimper there and wire cutters. So what we're going to do first is we're going to connect this onto our fuse block. You can actually browse on the internet diagrams that best suit your 12 volt system. So I'm going to put the fuse block here, so that way it's closer to the panel. That's the cover for the fuse block, and it also comes with stickers. So I've got some fuse. This has 10 amps, 30 amps, 20 amps, which is assorted. Got that from Super Cheap Auto. And I got some eye terminals, and that's for size 4.3 millimeters. And I got some battery straps, and that's where the fuse is gonna go, and that's where I'm gonna use the ring eye terminal. So I'll be mounting my fuse block here, and I'll put all the wires this way. And then other accessories can come and be in here. So what I'm going to do is going to put these terminals on and start crimping them. So here's one. I've done the crimping right there. And on the crimper I used 2.5. Another tip is use the right gauge wire and fuse. So I've just put in the ring terminals, and the red goes onto the positive, and then the black one goes onto the negative. So I've installed the fuse box, and that's what it looks like. And I've also connected the terminals, and the eye-rings also has some insulation on it. So I just put the cover in, and I've got the positive and the negative. So I've just turned it on, and that's indicating that it needs a fuse. So I'm going to put a fuse in there. So I've installed a 10 amp fuse so that my wire doesn't burn out. The fuse will burn first. So I only put in 10 amps because I'm only going to be running a 3 amp USB charger, and then the other one's just a cigarette socket, which is for the fridge. Alright, so don't forget to put your heat shrinks. I got one here, and I've got one there. I'm going to heat shrink them. Alright, so I got my heat shrink done, and I can just put them back in. So I've got my refrigerator sticker on there, and that's where the fridge is gonna go. It's gonna close that. So I'm gonna crimp these and then put it in an Anderson plug. I prefer crimping. Crimping is a lot better than soldering, as soldering can be brittle, and crimping, it has more flex when you're going off-road. Comment below if you guys prefer soldering or crimping. So I'm going to insert that into there, which is a positive, and then negative, and it should go through there. Make sure the clip is on the right way. Alright, so the Anderson plug is connected, which looks like that, and it comes out with another Anderson plug right here, and that's 50 amps. So I've got all the wiring installed. Now we're just gonna use my portable power station to test out the connections first before connecting the lithium battery. So I use my Bluetti. I'll put the cord in here. So I'll turn it on, and then we can press the DC button to give it some power. And we'll look through here. It's got that power, and that's drawing 13.5 volts. Now I can charge. I can also put my fridge in there. Then I got my Anderson plug in there too. Okay, so once I get my lithium battery, I'll connect it through the wires here, and then that will run my 12 volts in USBs and my Anderson plug as well. And that's how you do the dual battery connections. So I've got my Anderson plug here from Drifter, and that will be ready for the solar connections. The next video I'll show you how to connect the DCDC charger and also the lithium battery. I'll also show you how to connect the isolator switch and a couple of fuses. We'll also connect the inverter. I will also show you how to run the wires under the vehicle and in through the tub. And also comment below on what you guys think I should use for my DCDC charger, and also which lithium battery should I use. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.